Every moment I sat with Yogi Ram Surat Kumar, the great yogi, every moment I can see very clearly he was a truth grinding machine. He was grinding all the great spiritual truths in his system. Every word he uttered was the Guru Prasada, the gift from the great yogi, and every word I received from him, every Guru Prasada I received from him has removed my own sufferings, my own delusion, my own illusion. I tell you, Ram Surat Kumar is the right example of how a truth grinder behaves. See, I had the proximity of many great sadhus, babas, yogis, incarnations, but for this example, I can remember only Yogi Ram Surat Kumar. Because every time I had the possibility of being at his feet, he will be grinding some great truth in himself. And put glimpse of the truth in me. I have seen anything he said directly went and became part of me. Please understand. Unfortunately, I had a love-hate relationship with Raghupati Yogi, Yogananda Puri, because he used to bend my body, torture my body. Otherwise, he was a great loving being. But he had to stick his neck out to train my body. It was such a heavy training. I used to have a love and hate relationship. Love-hate relationship with Raghupati Yogi. Few days, I don't know, I may not want to see him, I'll just run away. I'll escape from him. Few days, I'll feel overflowing love for him and run and sit on his lap. I was more like a grandson for him, apart from the disciple. But fortunately, with Yogi Ram Surat Kumar, there was never a physical process I need to go through with him. By the time I went to Ram Surat Kumar, my body was already prepared by Raghupati Yogi. So Ram Surat Kumar had a simple job of putting like a Zen cones into my system. That is why people like Zen masters, but not that much the yogis. I know, even in the West, people like Zen masters more, but not Hindu yogis that much, because yogis make you do things, ask you do it, but with Zen tradition, nothing to be done, just be. But I tell you, unless you finish the yoga part, Zen will not make direct sense to you. It was because of Yogi Yogananda Puri, I was able to receive Yogi Ram Surat Kumar directly. Every word he uttered simply made realization into me. I neither had contemplation nor had Darka Vidarka or Kudarka with Ram Surat Kumar. Anything he says, done, over, that's all. Any word he utters, just realization in me, that's all. When he puts one single word into me, I can see thousands of patterns getting completely bombarded. He will finish off thousands of patterns in one word. I have seen. The great yogi, truth grinder, pattern breaker. Of course, without Raghupati Yogi's support and help and training, I would have never been able to grasp Yogi Ram Surat Kumar's words or his actions. I tell you, receiving the greatest truths and bombarding the thick layers of patterns you built is exploring your mental possibilities. I tell you, if you add the truth and break the pattern, your very ego pattern will become self-confidence pattern. Your very fear will become precautious pattern. The fear pattern will become precautionousness. Ego pattern will become self-confidence. Arrogance will become unique expression of yourself. Your own patterns will destroy its existence and transform itself into knowledge, freedom. Please understand, only the one who perceives discriminative knowledge and intense action as one really perceives. For the state achieved through discriminative knowledge or through intense action is one and the same. Yat sankhyaih prapyate sthanam tatyogaihi abhigamyate ekam sankhyancha yogancha yappashyati sapashyati. Exploring and discovering the possibilities for human consciousness. I tell you, once I sat with disciples and started training them, then comes even to me the higher knowledge about the higher training possibilities. I never ever imagined just by uttering simple sound and saying few words, I'll be able to put dozens of disciples into a state where they don't need food or water for weeks together. I felt maybe the connection they have with me, based on that, I'll be able to help them to be without food or water, but in high energy for one day. When I explored the possibility, I discovered without losing weight, without losing energy, even diabetic patients were able to live without food or water for weeks together at a time. Hunger free, thirst free, nirahara. I tell you, I always know I can live without food or water for weeks together because I explored and discovered that possibility in the young age in my own body.